chemical kinetics questions completed or not? Everyone respond, students. Completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Remaining questions today can complete. Then next chapter, which one? We'll start electrochemistry solution. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Next, adsorption isotherm. Adsorption isotherm. See now, in this adsorption isotherm, so first in this graph you can see x by m and the relation between pressure. What is mean by x? What is mean by m? X means amount of the adsorbate. Amount of the adsorbate. M means mass of the adsorbent. Okay. See what is mean by adsorption isotherm means the mathematical expression that relates the amount of the adsorbate. The mathematical expression that relates the amount of the adsorbate. What is adsorbate here? X. And absorbed on the absorbent. Which one? Mass at constant temperature. Then that is known as adsorption isotherm. Adsorption isotherm. Is it clear, student? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Keep heading adsorption isotherm. Adsorption isotherm. Right statements. A mathematical expression. The mathematical expression. A mathematical expression that relates relates the amount of the adsorbate, 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 comma, adsorbed on
For the mathematical expression.
adsorbed on the adsorbent, a mathematical expression that relates the amount of the adsorbate, comma, adsorbed on the adsorbent, at
Observe.
constant temperature,
Absorb it, absorb.
adsorbed on the adsorbent at constant temperature, and the equilibrium pressure, is called an adsorption isotherm. Check it. A mathematical expression that relates the amount of the adsorbate, comma, adsorbed on the adsorbent at constant temperature, and the equilibrium pressure is called absorption isotherm.
Yes, sir.
A mathematical expression that relates the amount of the adsorbent, adsorbate, comma, adsorbed on absorbent at constant temperature and the equilibrium pressure is called adsorption isotherm of the graph.
Sir, is it x by m or chi by m, sir?
X by M.
Okay, sir.
Yes, completed this diagram, everyone. Only adsorption isotherm definition after that this diagram. Completed, everyone.
Completed, sir.
Sir, can you move for a minute, sir?
Next, here, Freundlich absorption isotherm. Freundlich is sign. Freundlich absorption isotherm. Freundlich absorption is the quantity of gas absorbed by the unit mass of the solid absorbed. Then that is known as Freundlich adsorption isotherm. Freundlich adsorption isotherm. What is the mathematical expression? X by m is equal k into p whole for 1 by n. Whereas, what is the x here? What is the x here? Amount of the adsorbate. X is equal amount of the adsorbate. What is meant by x here? What is meant by x here? Amount of the adsorbate. What is meant by m here?
Mass of the
Mass
absorbent.
of the adsorbent. Mass of the adsorbent. Mass of the adsorbent. Then coming to what is the P here? Pressure. What is meant by P here? Pressure, equilibrium pressure. Whereas K and N constants. K and N is constants. X by M is equal K into P whole for 1 by N. Now you know very well Y is equal mx plus c, correct? One formula is there, mathematical expression. See now we can apply both the side log. Log x by m is equal log k plus 1 by n log p. Sometimes they will ask, give equation, give mathematical expression for Freundlich absorption isotherm means you should write these two equations. Yes, now graph log x by m is equal log p in this. Then what happened here? Intercept is log k. Slope is 1 by n. First keep everyone heading Freundlich absorption isotherm. Freundlich absorption isotherm. Right? These two formulas, this terms and this graph.
So what
Hello?
is P?
Pressure ma, pressure. XMP. X is amount of the adsorbate, mass of the adsorbent, P is pressure, K, N is constants. Is completed, students? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Complete.
Everyone completed, students?
Yes, sir.
Students, listen next. Next, catalyst. In these two types of catalyst is there. One is positive catalyst. Second one is negative catalyst. What is meant by positive catalyst? The rate of reaction increases, then that is called positive catalyst. The rate of reaction decreases, then that is known as negative catalyst. Again here, what is meant by promoter and poison? See now, listen students. Promoter is a chemical substance which increase the efficiency of catalyst. Which increase the efficiency of catalyst. Then that is known as promoter. In Haber's process, you are using molybdenum. Yes. Hello. Students, listen here. Catalyst two types. One is positive catalyst, negative catalyst. What is meant by positive catalyst? What is meant by positive catalyst? The rate of reaction increases. The rate of reaction is increases. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
What is meant by negative catalyst? The rate of
The
reaction
reaction decreases.
Decreases.
that is called negative catalyst.
Yes, sir.
Again, catalytic promoter, catalytic poison is there. What is mean by promoter means? Promoter means, see, catalytic promoter is a chemical substance which increase the efficiency of catalyst. Which increase the efficiency of catalyst. What is mean by poison here? This is also chemical substance which decrease the efficiency of catalyst. Which decrease the efficiency of catalyst. Then that is known as poisonous. That is known as poisonous. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Positive catalyst means what? A catalyst which increase the rate of reaction is called positive catalyst. Yes. What is meant by negative catalyst? The rate of reaction decreases.
Decreases.
Next, what is meant by promoter? Promoter is also chemical substance which, tell me, what is the promoter? Promoter also chemical substance which increase the efficiency of catalyst. Which increase the efficiency of catalyst. Then that is known as promoter, increases. Then poisonous means this is also chemical substance which decrease the efficiency of catalyst. Then that is known as poisonous. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not, students?
Clear.
Yes.
Yeah. Next, classification of catalyst. In this classification of catalyst, again, homogeneous, heterogeneous catalyst is there. You know very well. Homo in name only is there. Homogeneous. What is mean by homogeneous? Homo means what? Homo means what, students? You know very well.
Same.
Yeah, very good. A plus C plus D. A plus B gives C plus D. Here some X catalyst is there. Yes, students. See now, in a chemical reactions, catalyst. In a chemical reaction, in these reactions, catalyst and reactants both are in same phase. Then that is called homogeneous catalyst. Listen, students, here in a chemical reaction, here in this catalyst and reactants, both are in same phase. Sir, how to find out same phase means this is gas, then this is gas. These are gas means that is called homogeneous, or liquid, or otherwise solid. Same phase is there, then that is called homogeneous catalyst. Yes, is it clear, student, everyone? Hello,
Yes.
please respond, everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes,
any doubt? Next, what is mean by heterogeneous?
sir.
Students, what is mean by heterogeneous?
One
In a
gas
chemical
and
reaction, catalyst and reactants are different phase. Yes, is it clear or not? For example, here solid, here liquid. Then this is called different phase. Yes. Students, please respond. Is it clear or not?
clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Hello. See now, what is mean by heterogeneous catalyst? In a chemical reaction, catalyst and reactants are different phase. Then that is called heterogeneous catalyst. Heterogeneous catalyst. Yes, is it clear, students? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
About catalyst, any doubts is there? What is mean by positive catalyst? The rate of reaction increases, then that is called positive. Negative mean the rate of reaction decreases. What is mean by promoter, students? Promoter is a chemical substance which increase the efficiency of catalyst. Then poison means this is also chemical substance which decrease the efficiency of catalyst. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, what is mean by homogeneous catalyst, heterogeneous catalyst? Homo means same phase, means different phase. Yes. In a chemical reaction, catalyst and reactants are same phase, then that is called homogeneous. We will see examples now. Next, heterogeneous means what, students? In a chemical reaction, catalyst and reactants are different phase, then that is called heterogeneous catalyst. Yes, is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hello, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First, everyone, keep heading catalyst. Catalyst. Definition note down, students. A catalyst is a chemical substance. A catalyst is a chemical substance. A catalyst is a chemical substance. A catalyst is a chemical substance which alerts which alerts which alerts alerts the rate of chemical reaction, the rate of a chemical reaction.
Catalyst is
A catalyst is a chemical substance which alerts the rate of a chemical reaction, the rate of a chemical reaction, the rate of a chemical reaction without undergoing, without undergoing any chemical change, any chemical change, full stop, any chemical change. This process is called catalyst or catalysis. Check it once again. A catalyst is a chemical substance which alerts the rate of chemical reaction without undergoing any chemical change. This process is known as, or this process is called catalyst or catalysis. Yes, is it clear definition to everyone?
spelling of catalysis.
Is it clear? A catalyst is a chemical substance. In board is there, catalysis, catalysis, catalysis. A catalyst is a chemical substance which alerts the rate of chemical reaction without undergoing any chemical change. This process is known as, this process called catalysis or catalyst. Yes, is it clear, student?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Clear, sir.
Hello, clear? Completed definition, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. Next. Promoter. Promoter. catalytic promoter board is there spells catalytic 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 promoter is a chemical substance. Catalytic promoter is a chemical substance which increase, tell me students, answer, which increase,
Efficiency of the cat.
very good. Catalytic promoter is a chemical substance which increase the efficiency of a catalyst. Catalytic promoter is a chemical substance which increase the efficiency of a catalyst. Yes, completed student, everyone statement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello, is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, example note down students. Listen students, in Haber's process, very important question again. We will discuss in inorganic chemistry. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. In this iron, is catalyst. In this small film is promoter. Okay. See now, here what happened? Tell me students, what is the promoter statement? Catalytic promoter is a chemical substance which increase the efficiency of a catalyst. In synthesis of ammonia, molybdenum increases efficiency of iron. Efficiency of iron. Iron is the catalyst. MO is the molybdenum is the promoter. Is it clear, student?
So delta H is 46.1. What is it?
Is it clear, student?
So what's the value of delta H?
Delta H is equal to minus 46.1 kilojoule mole inverse. Is the equation clear or not? Hello?
Sir.
Clear, sir.
Yeah, please
So,
write example. You should mention phase gas, solid, gas. Iron solid. Yes, statement right on after that. In synthesis of ammonia,
Sir, what is it? Oh, okay, sir.
in synthesis of ammonia, MO means what? Molybdenum. In synthesis of ammonia, MO increases of Fe. In synthesis of ammonia, MO increases efficiency of Fe. Next,
Sir, efficiency of
Fe.
Okay, sir.
Next, poison. Yeah, tell me, students. Statement.
Chemical substance which decrease the efficiency of catalyst.
Very good. Catalytic poison is a chemical substance which decrease the efficiency of a catalyst. Please note down, students. Catalytic poison. Catalytic poison is a chemical substance. Is a chemical substance. Tell me, students. Is a chemical substance.
which decreases
Is a chemical substance
Huh.
which decrease. Which decrease. Which decrease. Tell me, students.
By efficiency of catalyst.
Which decrease the efficiency of a catalyst. We Ashwin, on your camera, otherwise we will remove. Is it clear, student, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Please respond, students.
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Write example. Write example. In the manufacture of in the manufacture of sulfuric acid H2SO4. In the manufacture of H2SO4 by contact process. By contact process. In inorganic chemistry, three processes is there. Haber's process, Oswald process, contact process. This is very, very important. We will discuss there. This is the first example for poison. In the manufacture of H2SO4 by contact process. There they will use V2O5, vanadium pentoxide. Vanadium pentoxide. Completed this one? Hello?
Completed,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Completed, students, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, catalysis can be broadly divided into two groups or two types. What are that? What are that, students?
Homogeneous, heterogeneous.
Yes, very good.
Homogeneous and heterogeneous, sir.
Yes, what is mean by homogeneous catalyst, students? What is mean
Catalyst
by
and reactants are
homogeneous
in the same
catalysis,
phase.
student? What is mean by homogeneous?
Catalyst and reactants are in the same phase.
Yes, very good. In a chemical reaction, catalyst and reactants are same phase is there, then that is called homogeneous. Very good. Please note down statement. A chemical reaction, a chemical reaction, a chemical reaction in which a chemical reaction in which a chemical reaction in which catalyst catalyst, and and catalyst and reactants 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 are in the same phase, are the same phase. Phase means should write HA. Yes, are in the same phase. Or in the same phase. He is called. Tell me, students. He is called
Homogeneous mixture.
homogeneous catalyst. Please note our examples. Yes. Homogeneous catalyst means what, students? In a chemical reactions, catalyst and reactants both are in same phase. Then that is known as homogeneous catalyst. Yes, students. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
in the reaction, homogeneous means what happens, students? In a chemical reaction, reactants and catalyst both are in same phase. Then that is known as homogeneous catalyst. Now you can see here three examples I gave. In this reactants, catalyst and reactant same phase is there or not there? Hello. Please respond,
There,
student.
sir.
Yeah, please note down.
Yes, sir.
Simply don't write ma.
Sir, what is the third example you have written, sir?
Tell me, Anshu.
So third example. What is it written, sir?
This is solution, Anshul. Sorry.
Okay.
Inversion sugar, solution, liquid. H2SO for liquid. Same case, then you will get glucose and fructose.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's written C12, H12, O11, sir.
C12, H22, O11.
Okay, sir.
Yes, completed or not?
Completed, sir.
Completed, students, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Students, everyone completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Most important question for 2 marks now. Completed, students, everyone?
Yes, sir, completed.
Yes, next. Heterogeneous catalyst. Next heading.
Sir, what, sir?
Yeah, tell me, students, what is the definition? A chemical reaction
Which is the
In which catalyst and reactants are in the different phase.
Different phase.
different phase. Very good, good, good. A chemical reaction in which catalyst and
And reactants are in different phase.
yeah, reactants are in the different phase is known as heterogeneous catalyst. Very good. Yes, completed, students. Definition. Hello. Students, definitions completed or not?
Completed, sir.
Write examples. Completed students, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please complete today. Which chapter will start? Solution or electrochemistry? Or remaining chemical kinetics part you can complete. Hello?